My brother and my sisters, I want to do this on a beautiful sister, Lamina to Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicate. Any other Lamina to Nakabon copy, you, my brother, they look me, you, my sister, they look me, when I feel free to share this video. I want me this video make it go viral. This video where I make so today, now for we brothers. Una where they bring we come oversee. This video na for una. May God bless una. May God bless una. May God give una heart's desire. But my brothers say, I dey beg una in the name of God, they killing too plenty. Una they bring we come oversee. Una they kill we too much. They killing plenty. Yes, I know say yes, it's difficult. When you look at that woman, you pull her Africa, you bring her Canada the diaspora. You don't add 20 more years in life. Right there, you don't get a good life. Because when they can, they inhale good air, they drink cold water, they eat good eats. May God bless you. But my brothers, them do ya big. What una they bring we cancer oversee? I know say yes, una they suffer forget that money dey. For lo una put them together, put to paperwork them together, lo una bring we come. Una they bring we come with good faith, love. But some of you they were very ungrateful. Where una bring we come? As una put we school so, we don't begin work $1, $2 more than una. Trouble for don't help break loose. Now una we disrespect now. 50 now una get na what na talk once we talk 20. We not listen to una again. We dey take upadi dey now put am pantap una aid, which is not right. But my brothers them, that no mean say una for kill we. Una dey kill we. Una turn back una kill una self. Then the pikin dem who don born, we dey left them pikin dem now na government hand. Hey, we pikin dem go suffer. We pikin dem go suffer. You and me brother would look me now, you are the talk to. If you bring that woman come, and no one listen to you, they want disrespect you, and not they listen to what you they tell them, my dear, before you keep them, you take her, you kill them, set her free. It was not meant to be. Set her free. Let her make it go. Life is sweet, life is precious. You they kill them. Then you turn back, you point to the gun pa you safe. You kill you safe. Then una the left una picking the una get picking the now una the left the picking and now the picking and they suffer. Na government hand. Then they say, oversee the government they take care of the picking and the picking and they suffer, yeah? The picking and they suffer. My brothers and the killing is plenty. You they look me now, you are the talk to. If you bring woman come, you know why you what you no one listen to you. He want disrespect you. You don't put on school, you don't feel say it don't better pass you. It they look you now like say you are nobody, like say you are nothing. Disrespect now you when you talk one, it they talk 50. My dear brothers, before una kill we, una left we low we go. Low we go catch am before. Hake. Hey, una de komaya reach and una hake don't catch we. Because what in the one they bring we can over so. Una they suffer for una money. Una they do all kind odd jobs for una bring we can. If it una bring we can, Louis you don't suffer, Louis succumb, Louis be submissive to una, Louis ready for work with una, Louis no hide money pa una, Louis be very open to una, and Louis respect una. Louis una wish them be we command. But if una see so don't begin disrespect una, would they tinap pa una, would they put to party them pantap una, would not they yeri una word, would they come out I will lek and car I will lek. You me brother they look me. Before una kill we, una left we low we go. Una they kill we, then una they kill una safe. Then the picking the way we born. Now the picking and the suffer. Now government hand. They killing the plenty. African man they now una they kill we like not for nothing with the woman they. I know say yes, a painful, a heart-rending. For me you bring you woman come. You don't get a good life. There you not see nobody for disrespect. Now you want disrespect. You not see nobody for tinapa. Now you want for tinapa. Then they painful. Then they stronger. Then they arts. But that's not giving una the rights for make una kill we. And not giving una the rights for una kill we. What una they do? Una set we free we go. Una not kill we, they una kill una self. They will left the picking now. Wow don't born the picking now. Then they suffer. And they beg una in the name of God. Una they bring we in good faith. If we wanna bring wika, we know the members say wanna bring wika in good faith, with love, want to nap now una aid, disrespect now una get her, because they work $1 or $2 more than una not kill we. Una set we free. It was not meant to be. Una set we free, it was not meant to be. You me brother, they look me now, you are the talk to. You bring that woman can we know a reward. You want begin the zangalewa. You want to nap na year come out we like and come out we like. No kilaya. Let her make you go. Life is sweet, life is precious. Let her make you go. If you not get picking them, men you picking them, then you picking their life. Because some of them money they bring us so we very heartless. We wicked. We the cow get we plan in our shoulder. As them put we school so we don't for them. We don't feel so better passing. What do they do now? Na for tinap na the 8 ton kanka womb. But that no give na the right for kill we. That's not giving una the right for kill we. Una set we free. Lo we go. Lo una ake go and catch we before ya. Come on, I got the messenger. Hey, we no go grab for me to over under. Una ake don't catch we. Because for me you look your partner, you bring and can oversee. Now out of love. But some of the woman and they we very ugly. Would they tinapa una, would they disrespect una, would they challenge una because of what? But again, una no get right for kill we. You may brother look me. Now you are the talk to. You bring woman come, you know why you reward, you want challenge you, you want to snap at you, before you kill them, then you kill yourself, when I left, when I picking them, then they suffer, set and free. It was not meant to be. Set and free. It was not meant to be. If they go take, if they go walking foot, if they regret it, if they get people them back for me and can beg you. Yes! We not get right for the kill we. We not the kill we too much. We not the kill we pass mark. I beg you in the name of God. Do ya? I know say it painful. For me bring person kai tin up na you head. It painful. It painful. But we no get right for take life. Una tata.